this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate 3D Secure payment for Mastercard. 3D Secure protection is an additional security step that online vendors and shoppers can enable to enhance security. As the name suggests, there are three domains involved: the party issuing the cards, the vendor, a 3D Secure party in between the customer and the vendors. Here's how to activate 3D Secure using eFinance. Launch the eFinance app on your mobile device. On the app's homepage, tap on the More option. In the More section, select the My Cards option. Select the specific Mastercard for which you want to activate 3D Secure. Then go to the card details and activate the 3D Secure. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.